Guys, this is the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Ring indoor camera. So before you jump in or do anything else, you're going to want to make sure that it has battery. So the blue light will show you that. You click on the top, you'll hear some noises, typically is what you'll see. But if you get this device and it needs a reset, it's a really simple setup on how to factory reset it. So how you're going to reset the indoor camera is there's actually a button here on the top, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to hold that for 15 seconds. So we'll go ahead and do that. And I'm not going to count on camera, but we'll just be counting together. And after that 15 seconds is up, we're going to go ahead and release that, and that will factory reset it and allow it to actually be able to be sunk up again. So you'll see the light flashed off. We know that was 15 seconds there. And from here, you'll start to hear some noises confirming that the factory reset has happened. And then when you go back in, if you have the app, you'll be able to check to see that it's been disconnected. But if you don't have an app, you'll start to see this blue flashing light that's going to let you know that it's in that pairing mode again. And this will take about 2 to 3 minutes that you'll typically see. And then the reset will occur and it'll be ready to be synced back up. So that's my tips for you on how to factory reset this device. If you guys have any questions, there's the noise I was waiting for before. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Super simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.